Joel out here. Film a quick little update of your car, Sam. So let's pop that hood. God damn. Oh shit. This shit.
You can show them the hood and the fucked up roof.
Shit, look at that hood. Sacrifice for the fucking roof. God damn. Look at that. Damn. So what'd you do? What'd you do to it so far, dude?
So last time
when you blew it, like from when you blew it at Grange, yeah.
I dropped a valve, pulled the head. The block was still fine. Just needed a new valve guide, spring, and a valve. Somehow the piston got hit, but it was just a small scratch. We shaved it down. All the internals were still.
Did you reuse the head or did you reuse the other head that you had?
Same head, yeah.
Same head.
The valve guide got pinched. So.
Damn, look at that heat shield, makes it look pretty OEM, dude.
Yeah. Got lucky with the head.
Hey, that's my devil right here too. Was that a catch can right there or what?
We should put a Hennessy bottle next.
Hennessy bottle? Or the Jack Daniels, bro?
Jack Daniels.
There is a bunch inside the house, bro.
First head I've ever pulled.
Really?
Yeah.
How was that?
Not too bad.
What's going on right here, bro?
Oh, on the bump on the freeway before we got on.
Freaking flew off or what?
The zip tie.
You need some zip ties? Let's start this thing up real quick. Let me hear it. Damn, look at that. Who made that? Oh, that's the cover?
I ironed them on. They're iron-on patches.
What the heck?
Yeah.
We're gonna go on a little pull right now, bro. Huh? Hey, there's back seats in this bitch too. Let's go on a little pull right now, bro. It's a little, just down the street real quick, come back.
No, you can go.
Well, what you mean, bro? You looking a little scared, Joe.
I gotta sit sideways in
there. No, you don't, bro. You just shortest one here, bro.
Wait, passengers here in the back.
The back, bro.
Yeah, the other side though.
Yeah, see? I'll just go all the way up, bro. All right, pull up though. Sounds like a damn spaceship.
We got the Crocs in here.
Bro, I can still go up, bro.
Like a prelude up in here, dude.
Blow my knees out when we crash. This shit don't got no airbags. It got knee bags right here, bro.
No airbags, no AC, no heater. You got seatbelts. Seatbelts.
Hold on. I'm trying to wonder where we should go. Should we go down the street right here on the right, or should we go on the freeway and come back? Huh? Let's go down here first, and then we'll check it out. Looking real comfy, bro. I don't know, but shit.
That's pretty loud.
Just my neck, bro. That shit. It smells good in here, bro. What perfume is that?
It's that 85 perfume.
That's P85, bro. The corn, bro. That shit pulls nice, bro.
Good.
Felt that shit in my balls and everything, bro. Felt like someone was licking my balls.
Really, nigga?
We're 3 deep right now.
Huh?
We're 3 deep right now.
I know, and that shit still pulls hard as fuck, bro. Shit. It's just this GoPro right here. I don't know how it looks. Should probably do like a pull like this, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, look at the ricers out here.
That shit is gunshot, bro. I don't get how people like that, dude. The gunshots, verbal tunes, bro. Bro, that shit, like that? I don't know about if I could do it like that, dude. That's gunshots.
That one's okay.
That wasn't verbal tune,
Yeah,
bro. That was
it's like verbal, but it's like crazy.
Let's do a quick little freeway and then we'll run it back. How much power this thing got again, bro?
Made 415 on the day that it was 100 degrees in the shop.
How much?
415.
Shit, let's slow down right here real quick. Good in the back.
On a cooler day, we could easily make 430, 420.
430, shit.
Ready?
Hey, that's some good ass brakes or something, bro. Shit. We're slowing down from like probably 120 and shit, bro.
Yeah.
It feels good.
A lot of traffic right now, too.
For real.
Yeah, like this is a 5th year pull in line.
Still pulling it good. God damn, when that turbo kicks in, bro.
That's 5th year, like. Yeah, this is crazy.
For real, bro.
I hope the audio is alright. A lot of wind.
Yeah, for real. Oh, I should have bought the other mod that I had on there.
Off right here. Even doing call sounds pretty good.
For real. It's not too loud. It is loud in here, but it's not as loud as it is outside. Like outside, it blows your ears out, bro. Like, I was driving behind you, I was like, okay, how much boost we running, bro?
20.
20?
Yeah.
20 PSI?
This moves pretty quick.
Yeah, for real.
Might want to let them know what turbo it is.
Oh yeah,
If they haven't seen the
what
other
turbo we
video.
running on there?
It's a Garrett G25 550.
G25 550.
550.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's good for 505
side heat and shit, bro. Got no brake fade.
You got quite a bit of traffic now. I love this.
Crazy. For real.
This school is amazing though.
That shit don't get old, huh?
No. I hope they can hear it on camera because
I'm pretty sure we can hear it, but there might be some wind noise.
yeah, the in-person experience is so much better.
Yeah, cause you guys don't feel like when that shit pulls, you're like having a seizure and shit, bro. That shit really be pulling you back.
The fast going? Yeah. 3 people?
For real, that's 3 people up in this room. I don't even know if you can see that.
That's a 5th gear school.
5th gear?
That's 5th gear school.
Yeah.
So if you want to show them 5th gear, do it again. I'll do it again. 3,000 RPMs.
10, 15, 20 PSI.
That feels like my 1st gear school.
For real. And you get scared when you do pulls and this shit, you gotta look around, like, hey, make sure there's no cops
Yeah.
on the on-ramp and shit.
It's loud, it's fast. I miss having a slow car.
No, the fuck you don't, bitch.
sometimes you want to like full throttle it with a slow car. You just get all the enjoyment of the
You just
noise.
hear all that rattle and it feels fast.
Yeah.
That's how the EG be.
Like the high school years where you think you're a fast kid.
For real, with like 150 horsepower.
Yeah.
Shit fast, bro.
And when I do a pull, I pray my hood doesn't fly up again.
You got one hood pins down? How did it fly up in the first place?
I forgot to latch a hood pin all the way.
Just one?
I forgot to latch one.
And it flew up?
Flew up.
You did a pull though, huh?
I was racing a motorcycle.
Hey, so how do you know how much gas you got in this bitch?
I fill up every 100 miles.
100?
Every 100 miles I fill up.
So the odometer works.
Used to work.
So how do you know if it's 100 miles?
I try to estimate.
This guy.
Wait, this car goes 200 miles?
No, I get 100 miles to the tank.
Oh, okay.
And my gas gauge don't work and my cluster doesn't work. So at about 50, 60 miles I'll usually fill up. But I rarely drive it, so I try to fill it up every time I drive it. So I don't run
You already
out.
probably used like 20 miles off those pulls.
I probably used about 2 gallons since we pumped.
Hey, that's a good sacrifice right there, bro.
It gets 10 miles to the gallon. So
That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad for like 400,
Yeah.
450 and shit, bro.
It's not great. But in California, we're paying $2.65 a gallon for 85.
Yeah, we paying like 450 right now for
87.
91.
For 91, yeah, it's like
Yeah.
450. Look at right there, 470.
Yeah, 479 right now,
479
bro.
for 91 at a mobile.
And that's a garbage ass fucking gas station. 439 on 87, bro. Let's do it. After this light, we'll do a little quickie pull to end it. Make sure there's no cops on the left though.
Okay. After these 4 blocks.
I'll check the back.
Rollers in front.
This suspension feels pretty good, bro.
It's pretty stiff.
Yeah. Well, my EG, when we're going on these fucking bumps right here, bro, you can bah, bah,
Horrible?
bah, bah, hell yeah, bro.
Like your frame.
Like everybody's fucking a bunch of dwarfs are hitting my fucking pianos and shit, bro.
Hold on, we got siren.
Cops. They're on to us.
Look at this asshole.
That person honks
Yeah,
like
for
they're
real,
singing.
bro. Oh, fucking Corolla, bro.
It's okay, someone's in need of services.
Bro.
Go slow. All the stickiness. compare it to like a V8 off the lot.
I can bring the V out.
I could bring that D
Let's pull it to the
series.
driveway, bro.
Yeah, I've always wanted to compare it to something off the dealer,
Yeah,
off the lot.
Factory produced.
Yeah, just so I can
Gauge how fast it
gauge
is.
how fast this car actually is.
Ugh. Woo! And shout out to NASA for giving us this ride along, bro.
It's idling, I'm just gonna shut it off and it spools down. Like
Yeah.
the response of these turbos is insane. That's just off of idle.
Cooling down the rocket ships, bro.
So yeah, these turbos are insane. A little pricey, but
Worth it.
the response is like no other. It's almost like an NA car.
It is actually
Yeah.
a fucking.
This is stock manifold?
Stock manifold, yeah. Everything stock except for the turbo, injectors, and the fuel system.
Well, so there we have it. S14 right here. Yeah, that was 20 minutes long, bro.
Forge internals.
Oh, it is forge
Yeah,
internals.
it is forge internals. It's just pistons and rods.
Pistons and rods with what cams?
With the, what was the cam?
It's like a street cam or
It was
something.
a 365. I forget. We could put it in the description. What cam
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
want.
We'll let you guys know. If you
But
guys
it is
want.
it's a BC cam. I do know that. It's like a
BC.
390 cam, somewhere around there. Stage 2, whatever their BC stage 2 cam is.
Yeah. So the
Yeah.
bill's not even that crazy, but shit, it hit like 400 or almost 5 on this thing.
Yeah. Oh, the torque also 385.
Yeah. Torque on the SR is actually really good. Actually better than RB motors.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
And it makes peak torque like around 4 grand.
4 grand.
Yeah.
And then that's when the turbo hits in anyway, so you don't even need it.
Hits and then
Yeah.
the horsepower takes over. So
Oh, there we have it.